Guys, what's up? It's Mark. What's going on? Subscribe, notification button, do it now. Hit me up. Hope you guys like this video. This is going to be the under 2-minute short video of the 8-minute 2003 5.9 liter Cummins SLT long bed 6-speed with the exhaust brake on it, with a 4-inch tough country lift on a set of 18-inch fuel wheels wrapped in 35 1250 18-inch mud tires. Hope you guys like it. I'm gonna do the short video under 2 minutes. Here we go. A little bit of dents and crap like that right there, a little bit of hate, all that crap, a little bit of scratches, nothing too crazy. Black housing headlights, recon lights, aftermarket front bumper, underside's really clean. No drips, no rust, nothing like that. It's a Florida truck. Bottom of the front bumper is clean. That's clean. A little bit of scratches, pretty buffed out right there. Clean, clean. A little bit of rock chips right here, as you guys can see. Frame's great. No rust under the body, nothing like that. Look how clean that is. Booyah! Interior's kicking. Oh, it's locked. That's the engine exhaust brake right there. Psh, boo, psh, boo, psh, boo. Downshifting, whatnot. Boom, bam. Headliner's clean as shit. Interior's great. Doors are locked. Sticker's still on the frame right there, approaching 1 minute 14 seconds. Underside's clean right here. This truck would be kick-ass with a full straight pipe 4-inch exhaust and a tuner. You guys are ruining my video. It smells like weed inside your car. You get a clean whiff of that. Long bed. All clean up and under here. No rust in the fender wells right here. Really clean, both sides. And there you have it. Approaching 1 minute 36 seconds. 184,000 miles. 6-speed. Listen. Listen, listen. You hear that? So that's what it does. It's kick-ass. I love it. So much fun to drive, guys. But anyways, hope you guys like this video. Hit me up. This is Mark signing out. Subscribe with a 2003 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT 6-speed long beds Cummins 5.9 liter. Holler at me. Peace out. See you guys later.